Hey there crafters! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the world of ribbon with the best dark purple ribbon available in the market. Get ready to add a touch of elegance to all your crafting projects. This MEEDEE purple satin ribbon is a 1-1/2 inch luxe satin double-faced ribbon that's perfect for crafts. Satin weddings, flower bouquets, and holiday decorating. Made from a specially customized material for superior performance, this ribbon has a beautiful sheen and fabulous shimmer. The ribbon is double-faced, finished on both sides and comes in a 50-yard package, ensuring you have plenty for all your decorating needs. Made of 100% high-quality polyester, this deluxe satin ribbon is soft, sturdy, and drapey. It's perfect for wrapping gifts, embellishing scrapbook pages, and enhancing clothing or home decoration items. Whether you're tying elegant bows on greeting cards, wrapping favor boxes, sprucing up bridal dresses. When decorating floral arrangements, this ribbon is sure to add a touch of luxury to your projects. It's also great for party favors, event decorations, and DIY crafts. Keep in mind that slight color differences may occur due to lighting when capturing product photos. If the product doesn't meet your expectations, the seller offers a 100% refund of your purchase price. Happy crafting! And there you have it, the best dark purple ribbon for all your crafting needs. Don't forget to check out the MEEDEE purple satin ribbon for that extra touch of elegance in your projects. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy crafting!